It's been a really exciting experience and great energy in the booth here. A lot of the customers are really loving our message about empowering the art of retail.
Each customer is their own artist, and we provide them the tools to bring their masterpiece to life.
Whether it's at home, whether it's in the store, whether it's at the office, and going through the entire shopping experience, finding the worst part of the shopping experience and making them better, enticing and fun for the consumers, as well as beneficial.
Self-service has been a very fast-growing part of the industry and our marketplace in particular. And, but we continue to find new ways to push the boundary of improving that process for the shopper. So not only do you improve the way that the experience of checking out is completed, but also how do you speed it up? How do you recognize products more quickly, particularly in the fresh world? And so one of the things you'll see on the booth this year is us showing how to do that with computer vision technology, recognizing things like fruit, and being very descriptive between very similar looking products, but actually having the power to identify those.
This is a huge buzz in the industry, right? Trying to figure out how do you remove friction from stores. And we're, for the first time here at NRF, unveiling what we're doing. That's really looking at how do you remove some of the constraints that have been associated with frictionless shopping so far. You've seen a lot of concepts out there, as suggested, but we're taking technology that really is a multitude of technologies working together. Any one technology can solve individual use cases, but when you combine camera visualization, artificial intelligence, edge computing, multiple sensor technologies, and you work those in synchronicity, you can really create what we think is truly frictionless shopping, but also do it in a way that's applicable to general retail, where you're not talking about ripping out existing infrastructure just to make that possible.
Certainly consumers have less time than ever before, so the idea of being able to not only shop conveniently but also exit the store with as little hassle as possible is a really main theme and something that we've been focusing a lot of attention on, and of course retailers have as well.
We are showing some of that innovation here. Really also it's our path towards a microservices-oriented architecture and how we're going to take microservices and bring that to our retail environments that gives them ultimately more flexibility, more capability to innovate more rapidly.
We've got one of the strongest portfolios that certainly we've introduced into the marketplace, which we've been working through on this year. We're very excited. We partner with both Intel and AMD to bring those solutions to the marketplace. We have form factors for pretty much every single segment, size, and type of retail that you could find.
That transformation, again, based on the ability of working within the current environment that retailers have, but giving them a platform to innovate around. So for Toshiba, that's our TCX Elevate platform, which not only allows Toshiba, but also third-party partners, working with a lot of exciting partners here at the show, but also retailers themselves to build and develop applications on top of that platform. So even when we're talking about frictionless and we're talking about self-checkout, underlying and underpinning a lot of that is that commerce platform that connects and integrates and orchestrates those experiences, regardless of what applications and services are being deployed on it.
There's so many individual technology capabilities which are coming into the industry, and it's really around how do you operationalize them? How do you make them relevant to what is actually important to a retailer in the store? AI, making decisions, learning as you go, machine learning technology, augmented reality, actually increasing the engagement that you can have in a shopping experience using that kind of technology. It's the practical implementations of them which is really important to us, and that's really what we've been trying to show here at the show.